Hello students, welcome back to today's video class. In the last video class, I have started chapter number 18, mensuration. In 18.2, sorry, of this chapter number 18, mensuration. In the last video, I have shown you few questions of exercise 18.2. By continuing this exercise, again today I am going to show you few questions, how to solve them, important type of questions I have taken, and which will help you to do the other questions also. Okay, so there is total 16 questions in this exercise. Most of them are different types of questions, but I am trying my best to show you maximum types of questions that make you help to do the other questions at your home. Okay students, please follow this video, watch this video concentrately. If you get any doubts, please do call me after watching this video, or you can text me also. Okay, first of all, I have taken question number 7. In this question, it is said that the perimeter of a trapezium is 52 centimeter. Here is a trapezium whose perimeter is given 52 centimeter. You know the sum of all the four sides is called perimeter. And its non-parallel sides are 10 centimeter. Means these two are non-parallel sides whose measure are given 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And the height, means the distance between the parallel sides, that is called height, that is given 8 centimeter. And total perimeter of this trapezium is also given 852 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of the trapezium. As you know, the formula of area of trapezium, there is half into sum of the parallel sides into height. But we don't know the measurement of these two parallel sides. So from this perimeter, we have to first find the measurement of these two sides. I have taken these two sides A and B as A and B. Now the perimeter is 52, that is equal to 10 plus 10 plus A plus B. So A plus 10 plus 10 plus A plus B equals to 52. So A plus B equals to 10 plus 20. So you take it to the right side, it will become 52 minus 20, that is equals to 32 centimeter. That means the sum of the two parallel sides is 32 centimeter. Now you can put the sum of the parallel sides in the formula of area. So area of a trapezium equals to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. So sum of the parallel side, that is AB, we have already got 32. So just directly substitute it as 32. And height we have already given, that is 8 centimeter. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 4 into 32, that is equal to 128 centimeters square. So in this way you can find the solution of area of this trapezium. Now you have to find, I have taken another important question, that is question number 10. The figure is already given in the book. I have drawn this figure here also. In mensuration, always try to draw the figure and then solve the question. Many times I have told you, in the previous videos also I have told you to please draw the figure and then solve the question, because when you draw the figure, you will get the basic idea from where to start the question, or from where you have to do the solutions. Okay, so first I have taken the figure already here drawn. So here the trapezium is given A, B, C, D, where AD is perpendicular to AB is given, this is 90 degree, and the diagonal BD is given 41 centimeter. The one of the parallel sides is given 40 centimeter and another is 15 centimeters given. Now in the first question, it is asked to find the length of AD. Then the second question, it is asked to find the area of the trapezium. And in the third question, it is asked to find the area of triangle BCD or BDC. Okay. So one by one we will find the solution. The first of all, the first question is we have to find the length of AD. So you can see here in this figure ADB or DAB, you can see DAB is an right angle triangle because it is 90 degree here, and this is the hypotenuse, it is the base, and it is the perpendicular. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can write the side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So BD square is equal to base into base plus base square plus perpendicular square, that is AB square plus AD square. So BD is given 41, so write 41 square. AB is given 40, so write 40 square, and you have to find AD, so AD square. Now 41 square is 1681 and 40 square is 1600. So when you change the side, AD square is equal to 1681 minus 1600, that is equal to AD equals to square root over, it is in square, when change the side it will become square root, and 16681 minus 1600, that is equal to 81. So the square root of 81 is 9 centimeter. So first answer we have got, the length of AD is 9 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of this trapezium. So here the parallel sides are given, and we have already got the height also, means distance between the parallel sides. So easily you can write the formula, area of a trapezium equals to half into sum of the parallel sides, that is A plus B, into height, that is AD. A is 40, B is 15, so 40 plus 15 into 9 is the height that we have got in the AD. Now while calculating this, the whole sum, 40 plus 15 we have to do 55. So 55 into 9, that is equal to 495. So it is 2 here. It is 2, okay. So 495 divided by 2, you will get 247.5 centimeters square. So this, the area of this total trapezium is 247.5 centimeters square. Now you have to find the area of this triangle. To find this area of triangle, you don't know the third side also. You just to know the two sides. It is not a right angle triangle. Then how can you find the area? So if you can, you have the area of this whole trapezium 247.5. If you subtract this area of this triangle ABD, then you will get this area of triangle BCD. So here the triangle of BCD or BDC is equal to area of the trapezium minus area of triangle ADB. Now area of triangle ADB is a right angle triangle, so you can find the area by formula half into base into height. So area of triangle, that is equal to ADB, is equal to half into base into height, and area of trapezium you have already got 247.5 centimeter. So 247.5 minus, when you calculate it, 2 ones are 2, 2 into 20 40, for 20 into 8, that is 180. When you subtract them, you will get 67.5 centimeter square. You will get 67.5 centimeter square. So now you have got the third answer, that is area of the triangle BDC or BCD. Now the next important question that I have taken, that is question number 11. This is a very important question. In this figure, again diagram is given. It is a diagram of a picture frame whose four sides are in the shape of trapezium. The outer length breadth is given 28 and 32 centimeter, and inner the frame the length and breadth of the photo, that is in the frame, that is of length 20 centimeter and breadth for 24 centimeter is given. And it is also said that the width of this all of the frame all around is same, and the width is not given. That's you have to find first. So I have taken the width, let the width of the frame be x centimeter. So all the four sides width is of 4x centimeter. Now how will you find this x centimeter? First of all, if you see the total figure length here AB, then AB consists of this length x, then EH, and this length x. So you can write in place of AB this x plus this x and the length of EH. So x plus EH plus x. What is x plus x? It is 2x. Total AB is, the breadth is given, the length is given 32. So in place you can write 32. And this length of EH is given 24. that is 24, you can write. So 2x equals to 32 minus 24, that is x equals to 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. So width of the frame is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find the area of each section of the frame. So you can see here all the 4 sections are in the shape of trapezium. If you find this area of this trapezium, you will get this one. If you find the area of this trapezium, you will get this one also. Just I have done only 2 because in other 2 are of same area. So first of all, area of trapezium A, D, F, E. You have the parallel sides and the height also. So half into parallel sides, this one is 28. So just write 28. And this breadth is 20 centimeter, you write 20. And height we have got length of x, that is 4 centimeter, so 4. So 2 into 1, that is into 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 20 plus 20 plus 28 is 48. 48 into 2, that is equal to 96 centimeter. Means area of this trapezium is 96 centimeter square. So same is that of area of trapezium. BCGH is also 96 centimeter square. Similarly, if you find area of this trapezium, you will get this one also. So area of trapezium ABHE, what you will get, half into the parallel side. First is this one 32 and this one is 24. So 32 plus 24, and the width, that is the height of the trapezium, is 4 centimeter. So 2 1 2 again, and 2 2s are 4, you cancel it, and 32 plus 24, that is equal to 56 into 2, that is equal to 112 centimeter square. So 112 centimeter square. So area of this, therefore you can write area of trapezium CDFG, that is also equals to 112 centimeter square, and area of trapezium BCGH, that is equal to 96 centimeter square. So all the 4 answers we have, all the area 4 trapeziums we have got. So in this way you have to solve this question. Now students, I'm going to do one figure based questions, that is we have to transform the figure in different shapes. In question number 15 you can see here, the polygon is ABCD is divided into parts as shown in the figure. I will draw the figure and make you understand. If find the area of this figure, where AD is given 8 centimeter, AH is given 6 centimeter, AG is given 4 centimeter, AF equals to 3 centimeter, and the perpendicular BF equals to 2 centimeter, and CH equals to 3 centimeter, and EG is given 2.5 centimeter. So let us see how to do this question. So first of all, I will draw the figure. For that I have to erase the board. I think this question I can solve with this space only. So first of all, I will draw the figure on this board. You just follow this. So the names are given A, B, C, D, A, B, C, B, then this height is also given, DE, then this is F, here is G, and this one is H. Okay, now some measurements are given. AD is given here. This is question number 15. So here AD, total AD is given 15 centimeter, no sorry 8 centimeter. Then AH, from this end to this end, AH is given 6 centimeter. Okay, so first of all you write all the information, and this portion AG is given it's 3 centimeter, and the all the three perpendiculars, these three perpendiculars are, height of these perpendiculars are given. First of all, BF is 2 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter. Then EG, CH is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and EG is given 2.5 centimeter, it is 2.5 centimeters. You have all the perpendiculars. Now to find this area of this total figure, you can see here AED is a triangle whose total base AD is given 8 centimeter, and you have the height also. That means if you can find this area of triangle very easily. So first of all we will find this area of triangle. So area of triangle AED, that is equal to half into base is AD and the height is EG. So half into AD is 8 centimeter and it is 2.5. So 202, 2 4s are 8. So it will be 10.0 centimeter square. It is 10 centimeter square. Okay. Now you have to find this figure and the areas also. So here you can see the three figures are there, two triangles whose heights are given but base is directly is not given, but you can find them because here you can see AH, total AH is given 6 centimeter and AG is given 3 centimeter. Okay, so you can first get the HD because total AD is 8 centimeter and AH given this 6 centimeter. So first of all you find the length of HD. HD is equal to AD minus AH, that is equal to 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Now you can find this area of triangle because you have got the base and the height also. So therefore area of triangle CHB is equal to half into base is 2 and height is given 3. So 200 to 200 is cancelled, that is equal to 3 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 3 centimeter square. Okay. Now you have to find this length of FH. If you get the length of FH, then it will easy for you to find the area of this trapezium. See, it is in the form of shape of trapezium because these two lines are parallel to each other and the distance between the parallel side is FH. If you get the length of FH, you can find the area of this trapezium also. So how will you find the length of HF? That is the first question, the important part. You have the length AG, that is 3 centimeter. You have the length AD as 8 centimeter, and you have the length of AH, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, how will you find the length of HF? How will you find the length of HF? Once you get the length of HF, it will be easy for you to find the area. And also, if you get the length of AF, then also you will get the area of this triangle BFA. Okay. So first of all, you have to find the length of HF. So HF, or you can also find the length of AF, because total AG is given 3 centimeter and you don't know the AF. Okay. So it is 2. If you get this from the total, if you subtract, you will get AF. So it's important to find first FH. So FH is equal to how much? How will you get HF? To find HF, what you write? So how will you write it? First, you get AD minus HD minus AF. Okay. So what is AD here? 8. HD we have got 2, and you don't know AF, and FG also is not given, I think. AD is 6 and AF is given 3. Yes, AF is given 3 centimeter here. This is also given 3 centimeter. So you can easily find. So don't write like this. So FH is equal to AD minus AF minus HD. So AD is 8, AF is 3 is given, and HD we have got 2 centimeter. So this is 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Now area of trapezium BFHC is equal to half into sum of the parallel side, that is 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, means 2 plus 3, and the height is, we have got the 3 centimeter, so it is 3. So that is 1 by half into 5 into 3, so 15 by 2, that is equal to 7.5 centimeter square. Now area of triangle BFA, that is equal to half into base is 3 and height is 2, so 3 into 2, so 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 is equal to 3 centimeter square. Therefore total area of the figure is equal to area first of area of triangle this, that is 10, plus area of this triangle, that is 3, then area of this trapezium, that is 7.5, plus area of this triangle, that is again 3. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 10 16, 16 plus 7 is 23, so it is 23.5 centimeter square. So this is the answer. So in this type of question, you have to bifurcate the figure in the different shapes, and then you have to find each of the figures, area of figures, and add them. You will get the total area of the figure. So students, I hope you have understood this question. It's an important question. So go through these questions. I hope you have now you can do all the other sums. Thank you for watching this video. If you get in doubts, you can ask me in your next doubt clearing class. Okay students, thank you very much. Have a nice day.